Good morning, everyone. I'm Jenna Villaflor from Section 1.3 BEd. Today, I would like to discuss a thought-provoking topic. It is regarding poverty is a state of mind. While poverty is often associated with financial deprivation, it is essential to recognize that there is psychological aspects to poverty that goes beyond material circumstances. Another is poverty as a state of mind involved the mindset and beliefs individuals in poverty may adopt, such as um, hopelessness and limited beliefs their ability to improve their situation. Like for example, someone in poverty may believe that they are destined to remain in poverty and lack of confidence to seek opportunities for improvement. In conclusion, this topic, poverty is indeed as a state of mind, but it is not individual's fault or choice. By understanding of psychological impact of poverty, by addressing systemic factors that perpetuate, we can work towards a more equitable and inclusive society. That's it. Once again, I'm Jenna Villaflor. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand my discussion. God bless.